Hi guys, I'm chatting about some of my favourite and most interesting hotels that I've stayed at over the last couple of years, which is 125 in total. And this was very much a favourite, very much an interesting, quirky one. It's called the Muse Hotel. It's in Bangkok. Now, when I stayed at it, it was an M Gallery, part of the Accor group. It's same management, same hotel, same everything I'm going to talk about, but it's now a Marriott Autograph Collection. So it's a premium hotel, and it's wonderful. It's regarded as the best boutique hotel in Bangkok. It's one of the most favourite hotels I've ever stayed at. Basis hotel room, luxury 5-star hotel room. Tick box, right? Watch the video, link to the full review, right? Great restaurant downstairs. Didn't eat in there, but had a mooch. That had a really good vibe, right? Swimming pool. It's a city hotel. It's a small pool. If you want a pool hotel, this isn't for you. If you just want to relax by a pool or have a swim, yeah, it's great. Breakfast, absolutely phenomenal. Look at this breakfast. And in the full review, I go around the whole, and they do different regional cuisines and everything. And it was great. Breakfast, first class. But what really made it were the terrace bars. Now, Bangkok's kind of quite famous for its rooftop bars. This has got the best, right? So you've got on the first top level you get to, you've got this bar, right? So having drinks, you've got the view. Now, at the time, I was using... I was smoking cigarettes. I don't like to talk about that. But anyway, I wanted to go out, and there was a balcony where you could go and do that. You couldn't do that here. Anyway, as you walk through like all these wonderful rooms, which were like libraries, cigar rooms, private dining rooms. It was almost a little maze, and it was just wonderful. And the characters you can see, and it didn't stop being brilliant there, because it kind of had a speakeasy bar. We're going to go up the steps now to the speakeasy, to this absolutely and we didn't notice this for the first 2 nights. I only got this on the last night. No, we got this on the second night. I know. We didn't even know it was here. And you go up to this, and you've just got this amazing views, this beautiful open-air terrace, and again, lots of little places and bumps and wherever. So the Muse, links in the description, book it direct, get the best deal, watch the full video. The full video is worth watching. Anyway, it's got to be worth a like. It's got to be worth subscribing to see what on earth I'm going to be talking about tomorrow. And it wouldn't be the same if you weren't here. So I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll chat about another hotel. Take care. Bye for now.